The moon, our celestial companion, has captivated humanity for millennia. One enduring mystery surrounding the moon is its age. How old is this celestial body that has borne witness to Earth's evolution? Scientists have long relied on lunar samples to unravel this mystery. Rocks brought back from the Apollo missions have provided valuable insights into the moon's composition and history. Analysis of these samples suggests that the moon formed around 4.35 billion years ago. This dating places the moon's formation roughly 200 million years after the solar system formed. This discrepancy between the moon's apparent age and the predicted timeline of events has puzzled scientists for decades. This cosmic puzzle has fueled a search for alternative explanations, leading to the intriguing hypothesis of lunar remelting. The remelting hypothesis centers on the powerful effect of tidal heating. This phenomenon arises from the gravitational dance between celestial bodies. In the case of the Earth and Moon, their gravitational pull creates a tidal bulge on both bodies. As the Moon orbits Earth, this bulge is constantly shifting, causing internal friction within both celestial bodies. This friction generates heat, a phenomenon known as tidal heating. While this heating effect is less pronounced today, it would have been significantly stronger billions of years ago when the Moon was much closer to Earth. These forces would have generated immense heat within the lunar interior, potentially leading to widespread melting of its surface. This event, the remelting hypothesis proposes, would have reset the geological clock of the Moon, masking its true age. Imagine the Moon's surface as a giant canvas, initially holding the imprints of the Moon's formation, including its true age. The remelting hypothesis, while intriguing, requires substantial evidence. Fortunately, several key pieces of evidence support this idea. One compelling piece of evidence is the prevalence of 4.35 billion-year-old rocks on the lunar surface. These rocks suggest a significant heating event occurred around this time. This event would have melted and reformed the lunar surface. Furthermore, scientists have observed a scarcity of older impact basins on the Moon. The lack of impact basins older than 4.35 billion years aligns with the remelting hypothesis. This suggests a major resurfacing event erased any older basins. Recent studies of Apollo samples revealed zircon crystals older than the surrounding rock. These ancient crystals provide strong evidence that the Moon is older than previously thought. While existing evidence supports the remelting hypothesis, future lunar missions are crucial to confirming this theory. Equipped with advanced technology, these missions promise to reveal more secrets. China's Chang'e 6 aims to collect samples from the far side of the Moon, potentially holding clues to the Moon's early history. By comparing samples from different regions, scientists can better understand the Moon's thermal history and the extent of tidal heating. This will refine our understanding of the Moon's geological history. The remelting hypothesis, if confirmed, has profound implications for our understanding of the Moon's history and its place in the solar system. It challenges our previous assumptions about the Moon's formation and evolution, prompting a re-evaluation of our lunar models. One significant implication is the need to reassess the Moon's age. If the remelting event did occur, the Moon's true age might be closer to 4.43 to 4.53 billion years old, aligning more closely with the predicted timeline of early solar system formation. This revised age would resolve the discrepancy between lunar sample dating and solar system formation models, providing a more cohesive narrative of our cosmic neighborhood's history. Understanding the extent and duration of lunar remelting could shed light on the evolution of the Moon's interior. This knowledge is crucial for understanding the Moon's magnetic field, volcanic activity, and overall geological evolution. The Moon, despite its apparent tranquility, harbors a dynamic and complex history. The remelting hypothesis, with its implications for lunar age and evolution, reminds us that our celestial companion still holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered. As we delve deeper into the Moon's mysteries, we gain a greater appreciation for the intricate processes that shaped our solar system. Each new discovery, whether from lunar samples or advanced simulations, brings us closer to understanding the Moon's place in the cosmic ballet. The quest to determine the Moon's true age is far from over. As we continue to explore, the Moon, with its ethereal glow and enduring allure, will undoubtedly captivate generations to come, inspiring new discoveries and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge.
Welcome to the world of geology and earth sciences with Ricardo Valls, a seasoned professional geologist bringing you over 650 videos of unparalleled expertise. Whether you're a budding graduate student, an early career specialist, or a seasoned professional, this channel is your gateway to a wealth of knowledge. Explore a vast array of Earth-related subjects, including geology, geochemistry, structural geology, and the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning in geosciences. Ricardo Valls not only shares his own invaluable insights but also brings you exclusive interviews and collaborations with other prominent geologists, offering a comprehensive view of the field. Stay ahead of the curve with our latest content, covering everything from unraveling the Earth's secrets to exploring global geological phenomena. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your knowledge and stay at the forefront of the industry. Subscribe now, hit that like button, and share this invaluable resource with your colleagues and friends. Join our growing community of over 1,800 Earth science enthusiasts and professionals today. Unlock the secrets of the Earth with Ricardo Valls, your top resource for all things geology. The future of geosciences is here, be part of it.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.